Okay, it's Walter Van Dusen. I am using my rolling stand outside. We are going to do a color check by my face on FX3 and color check on the FX30. Right there. Color check. This is the A7R5. We have a 24-70 on it. And everything's time synced. Oh, I was having a little bit of problems with this time sync on the A7R5. It's in the audio line. And what I'll do is the A7R5 is because of the video, and it has a full HDMI. And the major difference isn't the sensor, but it is the focusing. I am proof of concept. I have three audios going. Boom mic right here. A Sony wireless going into the MX3 channel 1. Boom mic channel 3. Sony boom mic on the FX30 for scratch disc audio. A Forza 200 with a 26-volt battery on my version 3 of the rolling stand. This is what I want to bring to trade shows. I brought a version of this to Pro Fusion Expo in Toronto. 2 camera setup. So the FX30 is a B cam, so I usually have that by the person's hands. I would be behind the camera. And the FX3 is on the person's face. Usually I could be a little bit closer, but this is the A7R5, yakky yak yak. And what I'll do now is I'll show a video of it. This is just a behind the scenes of the version 3 of the rolling stand. I'm going to come a little closer. Running from the bottom, the very bottom, we have Oatly. Get up. Sit. We have Oatly. There he is. So we have the Manfrotto weights. I'm going to have them pop up. Avenger rolling stand. A Forza 200 with a 26-volt battery. I have a PD battery here going to the FX3. Another PD battery right there going to the FX30. Manfrotto grips. Magic arm. Sony little boom mic. The stand is amazing. It's an Avenger. We have Avenger grip arms holding the SMDV Flip 36 Pro, which has removable baffles. Forza 200. This grip arm is holding that. We have another Manfrotto. We have Oatly in the background. This is on a Cambo, I'll say what it is, PCH. That makes it easy to adjust. On top of that is the MX3. On top of that is the Anton Bauer Titan base. On top of that is the FX3. On top of that is Sony wireless. We have a K-Tek KE79CC booming directly into channel 3 of the MX3. We have a tentacle sync that I had synced up to the FX3, but the FX3 keeps its time sync. So what I ended up doing was I plugged it into the aux time code in, which you can see, hopefully, there is the time code. You can see the audio. We have a really nice blue cable for the audio going directly into the boom mic. 180105, Candle Blue FX3, FX30 cage, black tentacle sync, plugged in with that with the new Sony sync cable, which I'll have that pop up too. Nobody talks about this. Is the Sound Devices MKH Rose. It provides power via V-mount battery. On top of the FX3 is a 1424. Also the tentacle sync on that. The boom mic is a Sennheiser with the arm with the dead cat. Well, puppy watching. He's a very good dog, but he has to get back inside because it's a little nippy out. This is just, see, hopefully this comes out, gives me a few minutes just to do a little teaser on YouTube. Okay, bye.